Hello children, how are you all? Today we are again going to do one more interesting activity about air. In the last class I told you that air is present everywhere, but we cannot see it. We can only feel it. Now today we are going to do one experiment which shows that air supports burning, or we can say that air is needed for burning. For that we need some things: a candle, alright, and matchstick and a bottle. This is an empty bottle. Alright, so let's start. But please children, one thing I will like to say you all, you do not try this at home. If you are doing this, let an adult be near you. Then only do it. So first I am going to light these two candles. Let us light this candle. Can you all see it? Alright. This is the first candle I am lighting it, and this is the second candle I am lighting it. Now children, you can see that I have lighted both the candles, first and second. Both are glowing. You can see this candle is also glowing and this candle is also glowing. Now one change I am going to do. I am going to cover one candle with this bottle. See, I am taking a bottle and I am going to cover this candle with a bottle. I am covering but the candle is still glowing. Can you see? Yes. Now you can see this candle is blown off. There is. Again let's do it. One more time. Let us see. Why did it blow off? I am lighting the candle again. Again I am lighting the candle. I have lighted it again. ये भी तो हो सकता है उस वक्त गलती से बुझ गया हो, है ना? तो let's see it. I'm candle. I am placing the let it. Now let's try with this. Alright. Now see, this candle is also blowing off. Let's ignite it again. Let's see what happens again. I am igniting it again. Now I am going to see. As soon as I am going to cover this candle, see, I am covering it. I'm covering it. Now you can see this candle is glowing, but the covered candle is not glowing. Can you tell me children why? Yes, because in this candle there is air all around, but in this air has been blocked. So you can see that this candle extinguishes. This candle does not burn. So it proves that air is needed for burning. And when I take off and again I light this candle, It is lighting. So this proves that air is needed for burning and air supports burning. Children, so today we have learned one more property that air is needed for burning. Thank you, children.